Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about the oddly satisfying topic of beards. The topic first came to my attention when this actor shaved his beard and Instagram panicked. Do you think he looks better with a beard or without a beard? Also, do you know what movie he's famous for? As you check out some beard and beard trimming clips, please comment below. Do you find beards attractive?
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater CHEN. I'm saying hi to Team Synergy. If there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise, so stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Synergy. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Synergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.